take your grimy, gross looking grout lines looking from like this to this with 3 easy steps. You will need 2 ingredients: baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, a container to mix the 2 products in. Always do a little test spot, so I'm mixing up a little bit at first. Adding the hydrogen peroxide, you don't want it to be too runny. Once you have it at this consistency where it's thick but still runny, this is what you're looking for. Now you can pour it onto your grout lines. Once you have it spread out, let that soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After this has sat for 10 to 15 minutes, grab your wife's toothbrush and start scrubbing. And you'll see all that grime start to rise up. All right, after scrubbing for about a minute, I'm doing a section at a time, you can really see how dirty that mixture got. And now you just wipe this off with a wet paper towel. Probably will need to do it a couple times because of the baking soda. It leaves like a sandy residue feeling. But once you clean this up, give it about another 2 hours. It might look dirty, but after a couple hours, it's nice and white.